Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing is immediate. Make sure the earbuds have some charge and your Android's Bluetooth is on. This avoids mid-process interruptions. Put the Bose Sport Earbuds into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power slash button until the white LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. Once done, keep the earbuds close to the phone and leave settings open. Doing these actions first minimizes confusion and prevents the phone from scanning other nearby devices while you complete the next steps. Now you'll pair and confirm the connection. On Android, tap Bluetooth to view available devices. The Bose Sport Earbuds should appear as Bose Sport Earbuds. Tap that entry to initiate pairing and accept any on-screen prompts like permission requests or passkeys. Most models use a simple confirmation. Wait for the status to show connected. If the phone asks to allow contacts or media access, grant media/audio at minimum so sound routes correctly. After connected, briefly test audio to verify left/right channels and mic functionality. Finish by ensuring optimal performance and knowing one quick fix. Install or open the Bose Music app to check firmware and adjust EQ. Updates often solve weird behaviors. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding power about 10 seconds until LEDs change, then retry pairing. This clears stale settings. As a last reliable step, unpair or forget the earbuds in Android Bluetooth, restart your phone, then pair again. These steps address most connectivity problems. If audio still cuts, check for interference and distance, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.